Dear students, now we can move to the electrolysis of sodium chloride. The solid sodium chloride is not a conductor of electricity. So, when it is in a molten state, it will conduct electricity. That is, Na plus and Cl minus ions carry the electricity. So, molten sodium chloride conduct electricity and undergo electrolysis. That is, split up into two ions. Another one, the sodium chloride solution. Sodium chloride solution means H2O is also added or sodium chloride is dissolved in water. So, what are the ions in this sodium chloride solution? Na plus, Cl minus, H3O plus, OH minus and H2O. So, here Na plus and H3O plus case, hydrogen is moved to the negative terminal or cathode, and Cl minus and OH minus case, electronegativity is high in the case of chlorine, so it will move to the anode or positive terminal, and NaOH, that is Na plus and OH minus, will remain in the solution. Now see what are the applications of electrolysis. That is, for the production of metals like sodium, potassium, aluminium, all these cases electrolysis is used. Next, for the production of non-metals, that is hydrogen, chlorine, oxygen, all these non-metals are produced by electrolysis. And for compounds NaOH, KOH, these are also produced by electrolysis. And for the purification of metals like copper, gold, electrolysis is used. Now, next term, electroplating. Electroplating means coating a metal over another metal by the help of electricity. That is, costly metal is coated over low cost metal, and here metal which is to be coated is taken as the anode, and which metal is coated, that is gold, silver, that is taken as the cathode. That is, the costly metal which is to be coated is taken as the positive terminal of the battery or anode, and where the metal is coated, that is iron rod, iron ring, that is taken as the negative terminal of the battery or cathode. And a electrolyte is a suitable electrolyte of the anode electrode or the metal which is to be coated, that is taken as the electrolyte. Usually silver cyanide, sodium cyanide, like that it is used, or copper sulfate it is used.
Here, copper rod and iron ring is dipped in copper sulfate solution, and iron ring is coated with copper. In the case of gold and silver, suitable cyanide solution is used for electroplating.